This video is about how to install the TripTally add-on in Google Sheets. So you want to start out inside a spreadsheet. So I have one open right now. Come over to the right-hand side and you'll have a side panel. If you don't see that, you can use this toggle that hides it and shows it when you click it. So after we're done installing, the icon will show here, but it's not here yet, right? So we will click on the plus sign to get add-ons. And when this window comes up, start typing the name of the app. It comes up first, we'll select that. And here's TripTally. We'll click on that to begin the install process. We'll do an individual install. We'll click on this. Confirm what account you want to use it with. Click continue. And you need to agree to these two permissions. First is that the add-on needs to be able to view your spreadsheets because that's the way that it grabs the addresses, sends them to Google Maps and gets them back. We never see anything inside your spreadsheet, but the add-on needs to access it to send it to Maps and back. And the second permission is to connect to an external service. So this says external, but it's really still inside of Google. We store your email address, and when you began the trial, you have a trial period, and then this is a paid app, so we have to manage your user profiles. That's the only thing we use your email address for. Come down, click on Allow. And it installs the add-on. Click on Done. And then once we close this window, your side panel will refresh, and the icon should be available to start TripTally. If you have any questions, I'll put my email contact up on the screen. And in this next video, we'll show you how to use the add-on. Thanks for watching.